Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find muted chats on WhatsApp. So it doesn't matter if you access your normal WhatsApp or business WhatsApp, both of the application work exactly the same. So for example, I want to mute this person, so I'll just click and hold. I'll click on the three dots, right? As you can see here that there's no option of mute. Basically this is the reason that you can just click on this is the option of block, right? But to mute any of the accounts, you have to click on the bell icon. And here, for example, I want to mute this person for 8 hours or 1 week or always, right? So I'll just select always. Now you can see there has been icon that is marked on this account. It says that this account has been, muted, right? So this is a way basically you can just identify that whichever account is muted or not. To unmute it, you have to just click and click on this pencil bell icon, and here you can see that this person has been unmuted. So this is the only way to find muted chats on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video very useful, and make sure to like this video, subscribe.